I know this looks weird, but if you've ever had the bottom of your tomato turn black before it even ripened, this egg is the reason why that won't happen to you. Everything you need to know to plant a tomato that actually produces, all in under 4 minutes. Let's go. Now, first thing first, we're going to strip all of the branches off of the bottom of this tomato plant. I would normally plant the root ball level with the soil, but tomatoes are special. When you bury the stem deep in the soil, it allows the tomato to grow advantageous roots. More roots means more water and more fruit. I'm also going to take these tomatoes off of here. I know that this is a little bit painful, but it's going to help the roots. There we go. I want these fresh wounds to heal up, so I'm going to use this tomato that I trimmed up about 24 hours ago. Now, that whole egg that I dropped in here is a slow-release gold mine, but it's going to take some time to break down, so I'm also adding some powdered eggshell. That's going to be a calcium source. But here's the secret. You could have all of the calcium in the world in your soil, but if your watering is uneven, your plant won't be able to transport it, and you're still going to end up with blossom end rot. Consistency in watering is key. I always start off with a little bit of starter fertilizer as well. Don't be like me, make sure you measure it. Tomatoes need phosphorus to fruit, so you're going to use your higher nitrogen fertilizer in the beginning of the season. Just make sure that you switch to something that is higher in phosphorus when it's time for your plant to start flowering and fruiting. You know, I've been thinking, if tomatoes are technically a fruit, does that mean ketchup is a smoothie? Ben, you haven't been eating those mushrooms behind the shed again, have you? Moving on. Now the tomato cage goes on now while the tomato is still small. You can thank me later. Let's water it in and give it plenty of sun. You could wrap this black pot in canvas so the roots don't cook. Black plastic gets dangerously hot in the summer sun. Now, I planted these tomatoes in here about a month ago, and look at how big they've gotten already. Now, the tomato in the pot is not going to get as big as these, and that's not to say that there's anything wrong with that tomato plant. It's just the pot has less root space, and when you have more confined roots, you're going to end up with a smaller tomato plant. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Matter of fact, little Ben says to like and subscribe too. Don't put words in my mouth. Alrighty, we'll see you next time.